How to see who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status or profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Here, click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Settings. After you're in the settings, click on Privacy. Now, after you've uploaded your status, turn Read Receipts on. In that way, you will be able to view who viewed your status. Another thing you might find suspicious is if you post status and a person always replies to you as soon as you post, they may be secretly viewing what you are doing in WhatsApp and keeping track of it. Another thing which you can also do is in privacy, go to status. Here, select only my contacts. So, from your contacts, check who is secretly viewing, who you find suspicious. And if you find the person suspicious, you can add them in my contact, only share with, and add that person. And if they view as soon as you post, they may be stalking you. And this is how to see who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status or profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.